Hello guys, welcome to my programming channel. So this is Azim Khan. So I hope you guys are doing well. And this is my first little bit of depth programming class. So I'll be covering only with Java. So Java, it's a foundation, basic as well as the advanced level. First of all, Java, you can do Java in anywhere, but I prefer to do this on Eclipse. Eclipse IDE is very much organized and pretty much better for Java. So I would suggest if you could go to Eclipse. So before jumping into mathematical term for Java, so I would suggest you to go with the like pretty much basic things. So I hope you can see with this side. So I'm making this a little bit miniature so that you can see this properly. Hmm. I'll just delete this file and delete project content as it is. I don't need to. So I'll just delete this file. So here I'm gonna open a Java project. If you guys are pretty much new in this kind of formats, so I'm just telling you this is a very basic and common Java project. So I'll jump into those advanced level as well as so that you can work in your work field as a backend and front end developer. So for the advanced level as well as nobody will go into the depth. So because you have to create and you have to solve the problems, but I will tell you the criteria of the problems so that you can understand. So we just name it Java project. What is that? 0104. So that would be the Java project. And for this project, you just go with the class Java project 0104. This is the class name. You have to create a class so that you can make this area or make this what would I say? Make this project into a class prototype. So this is basically a class. So now you made a class. This is a package which you created. Java project 0104, which is I made it because today's date is 0104. So Java project. So that's how you make this happen. So I'm gonna go with very basic and very common things. So every Java starting, you have to do some class or packages. So public, static, void. So this is the starting of the Java. So if you go with the um, like string and you just this is the absolute value. So you cannot change these kinds of prototype things. Arch means this is called kind of classification of the starting. So this is the class. and a string, you stringing something. So that's how you just start with. So what you stringing? So system out uh, print line. For example, you say hello. Okay, so you just make this happen. So this will show into this system when you run the program. It will show to the system what is hello world. Okay, guys, this is a very introductory and very introduction. So we made a program here which is hello world with Java. Okay, okay. So we're gonna go for so many other states that we can use it for our too many variables. So we know in so many we have a lot of programming languages, but in Java we use only some kind of variables such as string variable equals uh, JSON. Okay, so this is string is showing you the thing because uh, it was not in capital. System out print line. Uh, so you can do like this name, or you can just go with the name, or you could just go with the name and go with the primitive. This is the name. So name is the data type. So you put the name, you print the print line name, not the JSON. So it will automatically print it out for you, name JSON, but you have to do because this is wrong. This is basically wrong. So what are you gonna do? My name is after that. Now it is now it is showing what? See, it became before you did that name only, so it didn't recognize. So now it's gonna be recognizing. See, it will recognize now. My name is Jason. Can you see this? So if you just tab a little bit, then it will make the difference of my name is Jason. Now see, so here is the common mistakes of the languages. So you just do like that, and you print it out for this. So there is no gap after is. Is there any space between is and Jason? So it is like my name is Jason. So it doesn't really make any sense. So if you want to clear this thing, like a tab, and it will show you my name is Jason. And that's how it is. So this is a variable name. So for number, so you can do um, my age equals, uh, for example, 33. Okay, so my age is a number. So my age is a data type, or it's a data type. So you have to do any numbers with integer. integer is a variable. So with this int variable, you have to do this. So you print out line, and after that, you did my age. Okay, but still it's gonna be showing like this problem because uh, you made a statement with a inverted comma, so you can't use the inverted comma anymore. So you just do my age, and then you just do the semicolon, and this thing. My name is Jason. It comes 33. So, but when it comes 33, it doesn't on a console. On a console, you can't really see any like kind of like why is it 33 here. So if you just make this elaboration, like even though if you go with Jason's Jason's age is, and after that you do this is my age. Okay, or you could go with this one. What is the problem here? Jason's age is, and after that you have to do last sign to make this creation like before. See, for the name variable, what we used. So you just print this out. Jason's age is 33. My name is Jason. Jason's age is 33. Yes, which is me. So you just print it out for this. This is all 33. This is a very common languages. So now we're gonna go for the value. Okay. Okay. If I go for the comments, so here we are going to use a decimal number for that. And use the uh, different different variable instead integer or int. Okay, so for that, see, we made this line into, we're always just using this slash. These slashes can make this lines into a comment. These are comments. So if you want to make it like different kind of multi lines, for that for that you can use like this. See, so you can use the variable instead of integer. So here is it's no problem at all. So here you will print it out. Nothing error here. Okay, nothing error here. So I just deleted the hello world comment. because we don't need this thing anyway right now at this moment. So we'll just go into the different section, which is I'm gonna use it same kind of variable. I can use it. I can show you right now so that you can understand int again. Uh, before that, we can just make it like not like that. Not like that. We just make it like for example, A avenue, B avenue has the measurement, MESURE measurement of 3.3 miles. Okay, so for that, integer value equals 3.3, right? How are you going to print it? Because it is already showing error. How are you going to print it? Even though if you just do floating, because you started with the floating, so you started with the int. So even though if you just system out print line the value between A and B equals, okay, 3 point what value, then after that, for example, it is 3.3 miles, so you're gonna make it again miles. You got my point. Here, but it is showing already error. See what happens. Error existed in required projects. Proceed with the launch. Proceed. If you even proceed, it will show you error. Exception in thread main Java. Okay. Is there any line? It shows. See, cannot convert from float to int. So it is the floating number cannot be converted with the int variable. So in that case, you have to do it again because int variable this value. So you just go with the float. Then see, there is no error here. So for that, just go with this and run it. The value between A and B equals 3.3 miles. Absolutely. So when you do the floating, so for the value of decimals, always we have to use float variables. You got my point? So rather than that, here, come on, man. Uh, that we can use double as well if the decimal is after the point is uh, more than how many, for example, more than two values, such as what is the value of the pi. So pi is equal to 3.1416, but lot of like writers, they say 3.14. So if it is 3.1416, in that case we can use double. We can use double, right or wrong. So for that, if you say, like for example, even if you go with the 3.1416, Okay, forget about value. I is equal to 3.1416. Can you do float with this number? See, it is an error. So for that, we use what? Whole variable. So system out print line the value, the value of the pi is, and okay, then after that you just, what is it, why I did double zero, I don't know, plus uh, the value of the pi is 3.14. So for that you have to bring this pi here. Okay, pi. You got my point. Okay. Pi is the data type. So this data type would be coming over here. So that's all. So here the value of the pi is 3.1416. But when you do float, it doesn't really read, though it is a decimal number. Now you, let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. Float, but for the uh, you may use up to two numbers after. Okay, so for that float pi is equal to 3.14. Let me see. Let me see again, because you didn't do f, and here it is pi is making, because you already had that data type, so you make it like 1, pi 1. Okay, because it's a different number then. So system, okay, so now the value I is in a floating formation, could be, okay. Now you add this thing, uh, but what is the data type? It is pi1. So, you just do pi1, and after that you just do the semicolon. That's all. Okay, the value of the pi is in a floating formation could be 3.14. This. So this is the all kind of coding consolation. I mean consolation. What I'm saying about the consolation is it will show you in the console formation. You know, every time it will show in the console. But to make into a format or to make into as a software, so you have to bring some packages here. For example, java.x dot swing dot uh, j options, j option something. So I forgot the package name. So it has a lot of packages, and you can just bring it down. You can Google it like Java packages. So it will show you everything. So I'm going basic one by one. So we have float, double, integer, and string, and mostly I have covered everything from the basic point. Uh, okay, let me see what else we can go for. Uh, oh yes, 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 yes. That's the so here we can just create for the character symbol. Character means char. So character is the another variable which could be known as char. Okay. For char, for example, char is a variable. Char AZM equals uh, A. This is a character. A is a character here. A is the character. But why is it showing the red signal? I don't know. Let me show you this. Uh, no, not even that. So it is a symbol, not even A. So it has to be like probably um, A like this. No, I forgot. Um, I even forgot nothing. So why is it showing like this? No. It has a problem here. No. I don't know. Okay, let me remember. Uh, oh yeah. I remember now. Okay, so you cannot do with the double quote. It is a single quote. That's why it was not working. Sorry about that. So I've also sometimes really forgot. I'm not a teacher. I'm also learning in a learning process. So I'm already in an intermediate or a little bit advanced level, but mostly I forget those other characters and so many other things. So this is my notebook. I note everything still, and I didn't finish Java yet. When I'll be finishing whole Java, that will be a huge, remarkable achievement for me. But I would like to make this video for my own knowledge and skills, sharing with you guys, with the world, and also so that I can understand. So these are super basic, super introduction. So you go with the like print, for example, system dot line like um, we uh, we may uh, symbolize Mr. KZM Khan as something like this. You just made it. You can just make it anything. Okay, this is the variable. This is the data type which will come down here. And until here, see, I'm gonna make a very uh, to no dot to uppercase. Okay, see, can you do this? So what happens here? Let's see. Okay, see, we may symbolize my AZM Khan. Did I say my AZM Khan? I have to say Mr. AZM Khan. So you run it. So Mr. AZM Khan as A. Okay, so uh, so I made this whole line uppercase. So you can use this data type to make this uppercase. Or let's see how many data types are available in these options. So to uh, because it is already lowercase, so that's why you have to do like this. To so this is the why it didn't came up or pop up. I don't know why, but I just did it by my own knowledge. I'm not showing off. Sorry about that. So these are the very introductory common starting language things. So these are the very common things. So you made it up to here. So these are the things. And if you can understand basic, you can understand everything later on, one by one. But if you do not understand not even a single variables or not even a single thing, so it will be a problem. So here it is the thing, and next we can jump into something a little uh, different. So here we can make another class probably. Can you, if you just make another class, Java project 0104, uh, um, uh, part 2. So if we do part 2, this is basically part 1. So that, because this is the introduction, so for introduction, we just don't go with the introductory. We'll just commonly just based on whatever it was, just like fluently I just gone through. So you don't have to name it part 1. You just name it whatever you want to. So so here, so common, it's a super basic things like if you like x value, y value. So we're gonna make it into swap. So we are going to do some swapping values of the uh, different different data. For that, we can use the different kind of variables here. That is a third party variable, or you can or you can or third variable, you can don't worry about that. So here x, for example, um, integer x, not integer, for example string uh, asian is equal to this is showing because you didn't put the capital uppercase. It has to be always uppercase. String Asian con equals um, developer. Okay, so this is the thing. So string also equals, for example, um, self-employed. Okay, this is the data types. So this is two kind of data types, but when you so I'm gonna show you, like, can you understand this thing? So this is basically a string. I just stringed it because this is a name variable. So here I'll just do the printout. Let me see. System out print line. What is the data type here? AZM Khan, right? What is the data type here? AZM Khan. And what is the second data type here? AZM Khan also. So we gonna whatever we are going to print out, AZM Khan would be showing what? Java developer. And what will print out here? AZM Khan also. It will print out self-employed. So right now you're going to we know that. Okay? We know that what? AZM Khan, right? Now you just do like this. Hmm. Why is it showing like this? There is a reason behind this. Because you didn't do public static void main string, not string. Never ever try to forget to do this, because if you forget to do this, it will show you error. Now it is clear, right? Then again, you just click this, copy this, and the next line you just do the paste. And we also know, you can do also know that AZM Khan also is the data type. So this is the thing. So this is the data, and we just did this. So this we know that Java developer. So we're gonna do, who is Java developer? AZM Khan is the Java developer. Now it will show you now. Is the Java developer. Little space. Then we also know that self-employed. Who is self-employed? That AZM also, and after that you just make a space for cozy looking is self-employed. Now we know that AZM Khan is the Java developer, right? Self-employed will come into Java developer. Can you do this? Can you do this or not? So you have to do this like this. For example, string temp, or you can do like a string unknown equals Java. No, not the string unknown. I forgot. Let me see the note just for a second. It's nothing about that. It's about the forgot the swapping. So let me see from the note. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So okay, I got it. Uh, you have to do it now. Like string unknown equals no. Okay, okay. What happened? Again, what happened? Oh, so unknown is a different variable. Now I got it. I got it. I got it. Now. So unknown is a different variable. So you have to make it like this to make this swapping. So self-employed for the AGM Khan also, but self-employed will jump into that. AGM Khan is underneath. So this will come here, and this will come here. So I'm just trying to make you understand. So it will be swap. So for that swap, you have to do this like this. So equals Java level on developer Java equals self-employed self-employed equals unknown. Okay, so these are the variables, right? Right or wrong? So you basically do. Let me see again. So why is it showing me a lot of uh, Yeah, I did the same thing. Uh, yep, yep. Unknown Java developer. Yeah, self-employed, isn't it? Why is it showing that? Okay, why is it showing like this? Okay, make it like down. Is it like this? That's why. Just fine here. Brand, brand equals equals okay equals brand. Okay, I found the name. Okay. So I tried a lot of other variables, but it didn't work. Right now it worked because I was trying this. The value shouldn't be like that. So you changed it into what? You're just swapping. So AJM Khan would be like right now self-employed, and AJM Khan also would be like Java developer. Right now it is swapping. So look at your previous few seconds ago. It was before it was Java developer was here instead of self-employed. Now the self-employed would be self-employed was here. So it came on first, and Java developer became on second value. So that's how you can change the value. That's how you can change the value. So if you change the value like this, so it will be different kind of criteria. So you can do it uh, a equals 34, b equals int b equals uh, 30 43 and c equals 44. Now you can do what? So if you do what like what is that? For example, okay, and you just do copy and just paste it here as well. So you just change the value into, sorry, uh, change the change the data type here, B, and change the data type here, C. Okay, so here ABC, for ABC you just change the ABC, the whole data types. So you're gonna do 34, 43, and 44. Now if you want to make A is equal to 44 or A is equal to 43, what are you gonna do? So you make it here. Here, if we want to change the value of A, B, and C on query into different values, and make some different. Um, we have to make some. What kind of English is this? We have to use different variables, change, swap values. Okay, for that you're gonna use what? Uh, here, spelling mistake. Sorry, spelling mistake here. So, so we're gonna do for A. A, you just make it like, so for example, integer uh, is equal to now. Can you do this or not? String B is equal to none. Can you do this or not? If you can do this for the D variable now, so we can use this D is equal to A. So let me see. I'm just trying this. D is equal to A. It shows the problem. It shows the problem because this is a string variable. So can you do uh, for string? I think you cannot do for integer or you can, but I'm just trying by myself. This is all something I'm trying to do, which is the very common things. Um, So for double things, can you do the double? That's what I'm trying to do. It's like, no, you cannot. Oh yeah, you did. You did here. For double probably you can. But is there any error here? This is the error here. So, mm, type mismatch cannot convert from null to double. To quick okay double change the type of D to object. Uh, okay. Uh, Galileo. Let's just say. Yeah. Wait. This is here Galileo. Galileo. Sorry about the printing mistake, but A is here a problem because it's a double. Hmm, track B is equal to one. Um, new. So here, for this kind of variable or swapping can be done only with the string. So let me see if we can find any other swapping information. So for Java, swapping values, which are variables can be used. Okay, so let me see. So these are the third-party variables. I always use the temp. Can it be possible with the three swapping? Correct. These are two ways. Swap method could be done by this way as well. So swap cannot be possible within three values. I made the three values. That's the problem. So this is the mistake I did. So you have to do anything but not three for swapping. Swapping should be done with the two uh, consecutive values. If you even do with the two values, suppose I'm doing this double 10 is equal to null. Can you down this? Object is equal to null. I don't think we can do this. We can string because you can see from here. Uh, okay, string temperature temp is equal to b string, a string is equal to temp. The same shit. So we just go with the this and this, right? So if you just go copy, take then if you just go with the uh, a is equal to 3.2434. Oh no, you can't really. Can you do like that object A? So these are the things you just don't have to do any single problematic launches. So basically, we just do with the swapping with this statement for the strings only for now. I'm not sure. I have to look it for again so that I can do it more myself and we can jump into different of this language. So then, okay, for so many other things. So I'm gonna do this input system and output system. What will be the output and input in the next class? So sorry about that. For today, this is only the introductory basic introductions. So we'll be jumping into definitely next class tomorrow, and we'll be go more advanced tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks for sharing and share my channel, subscribe my channel, and like my channel, please. Please like my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much.